Alright, Night Wolf fans, we're going to show you how to break a bead on a tire and then remount it. This is on my truck, of course. My buddy's using a machine to make it easier. I'm going right in his way. Doing some work on the old beast. Gotta make it some lot of videos today. Some lot of. I said some lot of. I'll probably do the video in two parts. One, the breaking of it, and then two, the putting on. Boy, you make it look so easy. I know, it is easy. Do you think your boss would mind if I put your company's name on the video? That's one that's got the nail in it, right? Yep. Boy, that looks so easy. I know it's here somewhere. While you're looking for a nail, go do something else. Took off the step bars that were on the truck. I got tired of them. Hacked them both off. Yeah, last Sunday we did that. And then I had a little issue with the mount for my muffler grabbing or rounding itself along the drive shaft. Hey! What's going on there, mister? Oh. And then I have a, what'd you call this, a rear end seal leak? I got a differential gasket leak. Axle seal. Wheel seal. I got, that's leaking, so we're going to fix that coming up, not today. I'm going to put a new gasket in, new oil. I'm going to have to get a new mount for my rear tire because it broke. Going to weld the muffler, going to get you a video of that. What'd you do, lose it? Mm-hmm. Is it a big nail or a little nail? Right there. Is that it right there?
Right here?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. think I just saw the son of a bitch.
You think I'd hit my finger?
That's what I thought. Unless it didn't go all the way through. Okay, so just turn it around.
Yeah, I'm gonna pause the video for right now, guys.